Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Next.js video editor that I developed inside the browser for passive income to earning passive income using advertisements. So this actually runs in the browser. Uh, so this we are running it on locally here. So you can see this is actually a timeline video editor using Next.js. We are used Next.js for building this, and it is using FFMPEG WebAssembly. So we have quite a number of options right here. You can see we have a similar Canva clone timeline that Canva has. We have the live preview where you will actually see your videos being created, and this is actually the sidebar where we have different options. So first of all, you can actually select any video that you want to edit. So let's suppose I actually take a video file. You can basically see we can actually take just see the videos. You can add multiple videos here if you want to merge them. It's very easy. So there is this upload option. You can do that. You can see you can add multiple videos, and you can see that. So we can add multiple videos here. So there is a plus icon right here if you want to add to the timeline. So as soon as you do this, the video will be added and you will be able to control it. You can see that. So position the image here accordingly. So we can actually play the video. So if you see, so these are the elements being added in the sidebar. If you see that, so now we also have the capability to add images. So if you want to add some images, we can add images as well. So if I want to add a image on top of the video, you can add this. You can add multiple images. So you can see that. And after this, if you are in, you can even add text as well. So if you put the text here, you will be able to add text as well. Just go to the location here. So you can see that. So we can change, or we can even add a fade in effect as well. So different kinds of effects, animations you can add right here. You see that fade out different. You will see this image here. You will see all the canvas is exported to a, and we can even change the color of the text as well. So you just select the element, and then so there is also an option of exporting as well. So if you want to export this video, select this option and export. Click the option export. Position the image here accordingly. And after this, if you are interested in exporting this, we have a download button right here. It will basically start the exporting process everything as a PNG file. So if you open this image here, you will see all. So this is actually the editor, guys. We can also, let's suppose we can change the canvas color right here, and then if I want to add images, simply add the image. So here you can actually control the timeline here, and you can see in the export here, by default it will export to 30 seconds, but we can change this to 10 seconds as well. So now the timeline changes to 10 seconds, and here you can control the element, how much time you want to show. You can see that. So if you want to add multiple images, so here you can control using the timeline here. Just control it using the mouse. You can even add text as I showed you. So here you can just create videos similar to Canva. You can just create this. So you can see that. So it's very easy. So just control it using this nice little timeline. So if you now play the video, if you see, so you can export this only to 3 seconds. So if you see, if you export this now, just select the format here. It will export the canvas to a video. So it will actually play the for 3 seconds and then the video file will be downloaded. If you see that. So if you are interested guys, the link is given in the description. This code that is inside Next.js, and we have used FFMPEG WebAssembly library for building this Canva clone video editor with timeline which runs entirely in the browser. So if you purchase it, the link is given, procodestore.com website. After you purchase it, you will actually get this zip file, and this will be the directory structure. You will see each component is coded inside TypeScript, and it will be very easy for you to modify or add additional uh, capabilities to this project as well. So it's entirely runs in the browser similar to Canva, and you can directly purchase this project. The link is given in the description. If you see all the source code, it's easy to read and easy to modify as well, so you can see that. So you can directly purchase it. If I show you package.json file, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. We are also using Fabric.js. We are also using Anim.js as well. You can see that. So all these are open source packages, and it's compatible with the latest version as well, React 18. And if you see, we are using Next. So it's a fully timeline editor guys. You can select, you can add fading effect as well. So you can even add, you can see nice little fading effects. Just select the element. It can even add to image as well. Just select the direction of the animation, duration. You can even put, if you again do that, you can see that. So you can basically create awesome little videos using this. Can play with this after you purchase it directly. If you run, it runs in the browser, no server-side code is involved. So if you're interested guys, the link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.